Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. Welcome to project number 13. In this project, we're gonna make a pig box with a locked tail. Okay, let me give you a little backstory on why I picked this project. So last Christmas, I had got a gift card, and the gift card was for $25, but it was one restriction on the gift card. I have to use the whole gift card to buy project file. If you remember the project that I did of Puppy, if you haven't seen this project, I'm recommending that you check it out. I'll link it up above in one of the YouTube cards up there. But when I went to that website, it had free download. The 3D puppy was a free download. So I thought maybe I should go back to that website and support it because it had free downloads. And that video did pretty good. That's why I found this project that I'm about to do now, the pig box with the lock tail. If you guys want to purchase that download also, I'll link it down in the description below. And I'm going to show you guys the blueprint. All right, so here's the blueprint right here. Here's all the pieces that comes with the file. As you can see, you see a lot of little pieces. But I had to do something different to mine just to make it my own. This is the front of the nose of the pig. And as you can see, I put some lips and some teeth. I'm gonna engrave into the front of it right here. And the teeth, it got braces. It's because my daughter, she's about to get some braces. So I thought it'd be pretty cool. Probably gonna give this pig box to her. And I thought it'd be pretty cool. We put some braces on the pig just to make it a little fun. Let's head over to the laser and cut it out. Alright, so here we go. It's all cut out. I done took all the paper off all of it. As you can see, it turned out really good, especially the front part with the braces. If you want to see how I'm going to put this together, I'll put a link in the description below of the person that created this file, and he got a video that's showing you how he put it together, and that's the video that I'm going to follow. Let's put it together. There you have it, project number 13 complete, the pig box locktail. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe and the bell so you don't miss any of my new uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next project. Puppy, say hi. Pig, say hi.